Hello everyone, Johnny here. Today in this session, we will try to learn about how to create alternate case. In a sense, alternate capitalized letter of a particular string or a particular input into capital letters. For example, if you can see in the line number 10, I have written Johnny there. I should able to get something like first letter should be caps, next one would be small, and the next one caps, and next one small. So I need alternate capitalization in a string using JavaScript. So before trying to solve this question, let us have the basic methods required in order to implement this. First one, let me create a string here. If I want to calculate the length of a string, we generally write console.log s.length. So it will try to print a length of a particular string. It will try to print a length of a particular string. For example, if I want to check the length of a particular string, then we can use this length method. So we got the answer as 6 here. 6 here. Now, for example, I want to convert the same thing in the form of a lowercase. Then I can write to lowercase. So indirectly it will try to convert this particular string into the format of complete lowercase. See, as it is in form of a lowercase, first letter is about to make into remaining, or everything is in a lowercase. So it has converted the only first letter into the corresponding method. Next one, s dot to uppercase. When I write to uppercase, it will try to convert every string in the format of the complete string in the format of uppercase. Next one. I'm trying to use something called a split. What is the use of split? For example, I have taken an input as Johnny here for a string, and when I write split here, when I write split here, when I write split, when I write split in this way. For example, let me don't write anything here, just I don't want to take any space. Then it will try to convert every letter in the form of an array, where it will try to split each and every character. For example, I have written something like this: Johnny YouTube. So I have given something like space here. It means it will try to split based upon the space. So at the space it will try to give us some comma. If you can see here, so it has two things now, because I have considered here as space. Next one, for example, I just want to join some sequence of letters. Then for example, let me take some array here. Let names equals to React, Angular, and Vue. I have taken three array elements here. In this array elements, I just want to join this. I just want to join this. I want to convert this array in the form of a string. Then I can write names dot join, names dot join, and see here, if I see the output of this, so this array has been converted in the form of a string. Now I just want to use a basic I just want to use some basic for loop. For example, see, if I want to echo the values between 0 to 10, so I can use a base for loop. In the same way, for example, I don't want to have all the values. See here, variable I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. You know this, this is a for loop where it will try to iterate the array elements between the range 0 to 9. 0 to 9. But here, I just don't want to have this thing. I just want to have something like this: I equals to I plus 2. It means it will try to iterate the array elements with increment of 2. So we will get only the output as 0, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So it is trying to iterate every alternate in the sense only the even values. We can say here it is trying to have some even values based upon the condition. So we have given less than 10, so we got till 8. Next one, uh, we have been seeing a function in JavaScript. Like function is a, like if you want to execute a set of statements repeatedly in the we are trying to use the same set of statements, and we enclose the thing in the function block and we call it. In the same way, we have also heard about we also have implemented some use cases on arrow functions, right? So today we will try to see, for this concept I'm trying to use some basic arrow function. Hello, I just want to pass a parameter here val, and I'm trying to write a string concatenation here. I would like to have something called hello plus val. If you can see here, we call this as an arrow function where I'm trying to retrieve the value. See, I'm just now console.log. I want to call this function hello, and I want to write here as Johnny. It means it is same as see, hello Johnny. If you can see, this function is similar, same as, like we can see it is same as, I'm just writing hello here. I just want to write val. It is similar to this one what we are trying to write. Let me show you. Hello plus val, it's val here. Now I just want to call this function, so in order to call help, I just want to write Johnny here. It means we are trying to, I'm trying to implement an arrow function here in this use case. So this is equivalent to the code what we have written in line number 27 and 28. These statements are equivalent to the function what we have written in the below. So this is how basic arrow function will work. Now I just want to use one more thing called map. First one, we have started with a length, toLowerCase, toUpperCase, split, join, a for loop where it is trying to increment the values based upon the value what we have given. Next one is small basic function, arrow function, where it is trying to accept some argument and it is passed to the some parameter and it is trying to echo in the browser console. Now I'm trying to use a map. Generally we use a array map in order to point out each and every value. If, for example, I have a collection of arrays like this. For example, see here, I have something like, let numbers equals to 16 comma 25 comma 36. I have three values here, 16 comma 25 comma 36. I just want to write results, numbers dot, it means I'm trying to access the array value map. Here we have already heard about the mathematical functions like square root, ceil, floor, and all these things. So here I'm trying to write square root. I'm just trying to write square root here. So when I'm trying to write square root, and I just want to echo this results, because everything will be stored in the variable results here. So we got 3, 5, 6. It means map is pointing out to the each and every array index value, and it is trying to print out the square root of each element. So we got 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and 6 square is 36. So we got the same resultant. So if you are aware of, like, if you understood the basic concepts of this, then we can solve this question, like how to convert the given particular string in the alternate capitalization form. So using this thing, we will just try to write a code, so we will understand like how we can write. See here, first one, here first I want to start by taking a function here. So I just want to take a function, so let me write a function name as alternate text. I'm trying to take alternate text here. In this alternate text, I just want to write Johnny YouTube, or else Johnny tutorial something. Now I want to define this function. See how we have done with hello, the same thing I'm trying to do. We will try to implement multiple solutions here. Alternate text, very good. So as we are trying to take some argument in this, I will take some parameter. So let me take some parameter as yes here. So let me take some parameter as s. In this first one, we have taken a function, and we are trying to pass the value to the this particular parameter, like Johnny YouTube will be stored in s. Now where CaSe equals to s dot to lowercase dot split, s dot to lowercase dot split. In the sense, First we are trying to convert every character whatever we got into lowercase, and we are trying to split using comma. We are trying to split using comma. The meaning of this statement in the line number 13, it will try to convert everything in the lowercase and it will try to split by comma. Next one, I want to iterate the elements now. So where I equals to 0, I less than cas.length, and I want to iterate only the alternate value. So I just want to write the shorthand notation here, I plus 2. In the sense, it will, as we have seen here, 0, 2, 4, 6. So it will also indicate the alternate values here. But for these alternate values, I want to read each and every character here. So cats of I equals to cats of I plus, sorry, not plus, 2 uppercase. It means every alternate index value, in the sense every alternate index value like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it will try to convert in the form of uppercase. It will try to convert in the form of uppercase. So whatever the case we got, it will be stored in chars of I. I just want to return this. I just want to return the values chars of I here. I just want to return chars of, so like chars of I, in the sense it will be at the end it will be stored in chars dot join. So what are the, everything will be in the form of a split, right? So I just want to join this. I just want to join this. So if you can see here, let us see the output. So we didn't get, because we haven't called this in the console. So let me write simply console.log. Now if you can see, everything is converted in the form of uppercase here. Everything is converted in the form of to uppercase. So what are the values we have taken? It is converted into the form of uppercase. So somewhere we have written it down, I equals to I plus 2. So all the values has been converted in the format of uppercase. First one, I equal to 0, I less than cats dot length. So we have written cats dot two uppercases. So let us split this. So we haven't splitted this. Now we can see, you got it, nothing more. Yes. So if we can understand this, how we have written, it is very easy to assume. Like first one, we have converted the form in the form of lowercase, and we have split it based on the comma. Whatever we are trying to write, whatever the characters we got, we are trying to create a for loop where it will try to iterate over the alternate index value. So this is the first solution where we can convert in the form of alternate case. So let me write the same solution in the form of using a maps and using an arrow function here. So let me write the same function. Let s equals to, again I want to take the same text, Johnny YouTube. So here first the variable it is storing s has a value of Johnny YouTube. Here I just want to write s dot split. I don't want to mess it now. S dot split, and I'm trying to create a map here. Map in the sense for each and every letter. So I just want to write each and every letter here. And if it is like we know if condition, like if else condition. If the condition is matching, the true block will be executed or else else block. We can also use something called ternary operator, where it will try to have based upon the condition. See here, I modulus 2, I modulus 2, if it is 0, if it is 0, for suppose if it is 0, then convert this letter to uppercase. Convert this letter to uppercase, or else if it is true, the first block will be executed, or else what happens, it will try to convert into the format of lowercase. In the sense, for every value which is divisible by 2, index value which is divisible by 2, the key value, index value like j, h, and these all characters which is divisible by 2, it will try to convert into uppercase, or else it will try to convert into the lowercase. And we are trying to convert this into format of uppercase as well as the lowercase. So For this complete map, I just want to keep a parenthesis where I just want to make sure whatever the resultant we get, I should able to join it, because it will be in the form of a it will be splitted in the form of characters. So later I just want to join this. So if you can see here, and then I just want to echo this console.log of s. Sorry, it's a JavaScript, it's a case sensitive, so you should follow the same case what we have written. Now you got the same output. You got it right. Here we didn't give space, so we got in this way, but here I have given some space, so it is trying to consider the space also as a character, so we got in a different format, nothing more. So this is how we have done with how to convert the given particular string in the format of alternate capitalization. We have used the basic concepts first, later on we have trying to implement the same thing. If you have any queries in this, you can just comment below this video. In the description part, you will find the complete JavaScript projects and a complete series of JavaScript. Thank you.